Rogers Ignite TV provides notifications to keep you informed, including alerts, reminders, and settings controls. On your set-top box, press the menu or guide button on your remote to access the main menu. Navigate to Settings in the menu. Select Notifications to manage alerts for reminders, parental controls, and accessibility features. For mobile access, log into the Rogers Ignite app. Go to My Account. Select Notifications to manage alerts like payment due dates and device updates. Voice control is also an option. If you have Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant integrated with Rogers, use commands like Alexa, show my TV notifications. Rogers Ignite TV offers various types of notifications to keep you informed. Alerts are real-time on-screen messages for emergencies like weather warnings or service interruptions. These cannot be disabled for safety reasons. Reminders are scheduled notifications for upcoming shows or DVR recordings, which you can set via the guide or app. Settings and controls include parental controls with PIN-protected content filtering and accessibility options like audio descriptions or captions. To customize notifications, use the remote to navigate to Settings. Navigate to Settings, then Account and Profile, then Notifications. Here you can enable or disable push notifications and set alert tones. These settings sync across your Ignite devices using the Rogers Ignite Hub. Parental controls require a PIN for access, preventing unauthorized changes. Notifications are also becoming more personalized with AI, learning from your viewing history to filter and prioritize alerts.